Here's a 2018 Acura TLX. Power and control put exhilaration front and center, and yes, it's that kind of thrill. 2018s feature a facelifted front end, retuned transmission, and faster responding infotainment interface. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system, front heated leather bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, power sliding and tilting sunroof, inline 4-cylinder engine, all-wheel steering, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and auto-shift manual transmission. Road & Track explains that TLX's suspension is a high point. It rides extraordinarily well with perfectly controlled body motions and isolated impacts, and it remains mercifully out of its bump stops in all but the worst bumps. Power and control put exhilaration front and center, and yes, it's that kind of thrill. Hurry in today for a test drive.
One stop, family shop.